Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into the future of smartphones, with a look at what could be the next big thing from Samsung. The rumor mill is churning at full speed, and we've gathered all the latest leaks, whispers, and predictions for the next Galaxy S Ultra. While nothing is confirmed until Samsung takes the stage, the picture we're seeing is incredibly exciting. So, grab your popcorn, because we're about to unpack everything we think we know about this upcoming powerhouse. Let's start with the design and build. It looks like Samsung might be shaking things up again. Leaks suggest a move away from the separate, floating camera lenses we've seen recently. Instead, we could see a return to a more unified, thicker camera island. This could give the phone a bolder, more distinct look. At the same time, the body itself is rumored to get a redesign, with more rounded corners and possibly a slimmer profile. This would be great for comfort and handling, making a large phone feel more manageable. Of course, it wouldn't be an Ultra without the S Pen. Reports indicate it will be integrated as always, but with a new curvier top design. This subtle change could make it even more comfortable to hold and use for long note-taking or drawing sessions. When it comes to materials, we're hearing talk of a premium mix of glass and either aluminum or even titanium. This would not only make the phone feel incredibly high-end, but also add a serious layer of durability. Now, let's talk about that stunning display. The next Ultra is expected to feature a massive 6.9-inch OLED panel, perfect for immersive media and productivity. But the real magic is happening under the surface. We're hearing strong rumors about something called color encapsulation technology, or CO. This new tech essentially integrates the color filter into the display in a way that allows for a brighter screen while using less power. It's a win-win for both visual quality and battery life. To make that beautiful screen even better, an ultra-high adaptive refresh rate is on the cards. We're talking about a range from as low as 1 Hz for static content all the way up to a buttery smooth 144 Hz for gaming and scrolling. This dynamic adjustment is key to balancing fluid performance with smart power consumption. And for those of you who use your phone outdoors, there's more good news. Rumors point to a third-generation anti-reflective glass, which would significantly cut down on glare and improve visibility in bright sunlight. Moving on to the heart of the beast, performance. Depending on where you are in the world, you might get one of two cutting-edge chipsets. The contenders are the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 or Samsung's own Exynos 2600, whichever one it is. Expect a massive leap in processing power and efficiency. But this time, it's not just about raw speed, it's about intelligence. Advanced AI features are expected to be a major focus. Think AI-powered camera enhancements, real-time app predictions that learn your habits, and even auto-summarization tools for articles and notes. To support all this power, Samsung is reportedly not skimping on memory. Rumors are pointing towards options of 12 GB, or even a whopping 16 GB of RAM for the top-tier models. This means multitasking will be seamless, no matter how many heavy apps you're running. For storage, we're looking at generous options starting from 256 GB, going up to 512 GB, and even a massive 1 TB model. And with UFS 4.0 storage or better, saving and loading large files will be faster than ever. Let's zoom in on the camera system, because this is where Samsung always aims to impress. The zoom capabilities look just as impressive. We're hearing about a dual telephoto setup, one lens for a clean 3x optical zoom, and a separate periscope lens for a powerful 5x optical zoom. This combination offers incredible versatility for capturing subjects at any distance. And tying it all together will be a suite of AI enhancements. We're talking about smarter image processing to reduce noise, drastically improve low-light photos, and possibly even unlock entirely new video modes. A very exciting rumor suggests the front camera could be placed under the display, creating a truly seamless, all-screen experience. And for video creators, 8K video capture is expected to make a return, pushing the boundaries of mobile videography. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and it seems Samsung is delivering. The battery capacity is rumored to be somewhere between 5,000 and 5,400 mAh. This, combined with a power-efficient display and chipset, should easily get you through a full day of heavy use and then some. When it's time to recharge, leaks are hinting at a potential upgrade to 60W wired charging, which would be a welcome speed boost. For wireless charging, speculation based on accessory leaks points towards key to magnetic charging. This would bring MagSafe-like magnetic alignment to the Galaxy lineup, making wireless charging more convenient and efficient. And, Following in the tradition of previous Ultra models, we fully expect to see reverse wireless charging, allowing you to top up your earbuds or smartwatch on the go. On the software front, the next Ultra is expected to launch with Android 16 and a new version of Samsung S1 UI, likely 8 or 8.5. This new software will be built from the ground up to incorporate deeper AI integration. We're talking about game-changing features like real-time live translation during calls, contextual app predictions that anticipate your needs, and intelligent power-saving systems that adapt to your usage patterns. For photographers, there might be new pro camera presets and a smart HDR mode powered by AI. And here's a really cool rumor: a potential privacy screen feature. This might use something called Flex Magic Pixel technology to act as a digital color filter, hiding your screen's content from anyone trying to peek from the side. Finally, let's cover connectivity and other key features. The phone is expected to support ultra-wideband, or UWB, for precise spatial awareness. This can be used for things like digital car keys and finding lost items with pinpoint accuracy. The latest Bluetooth standard and support for Wi-Fi 7 or 6E are also expected, ensuring you have the fastest and most reliable wireless connections available. An in-display fingerprint sensor and other biometric tools will of course be included for security. And to handle all that high-end performance without overheating, rumors suggest a larger vapor chamber for improved heat management, keeping the phone cool even during intense gaming sessions. So there you have it, a complete roundup of all the leaks and rumors surrounding the next Samsung Galaxy S Ultra. From a redesigned body and a revolutionary display to a powerhouse chipset and a next-gen camera system, it's shaping up to be an absolute monster of a phone. Remember, these are all just rumors for now, but if even half of them turn out to be true, we're in for a treat. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.